Good morning, everyone. I hope you're having a good Monday. Today, coding challenge is by Data in Motion, week 8. Let's go ahead and get started with the instruction. Instruction is to create a function that takes in a string as an input. If the string starts with a vowel, return true. If not, we're going to return false. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, I already started with my function declaration here. I'm going to call it the same name they gave it in the test case. Starts with vowel. And inside, we're going to say a string because that's what the function will take in. So we're going to name the parameter a string there. And then I'll come back and fill in that logic later. For now, let's go through the main. So main here has the test cases added to a list here. And what I'm going to do to run the test cases is I'm going to loop through the list and test each case individually on its own line and get the return value. Okay, so let's go ahead and go back to our solution. We'll remove pass and get started on that logic. So as stated, we want to see if it starts with a vowel. So essentially, we're going to be looking into that first letter of the string, and we're going to compare it to see if it is equal to a vowel. So to do that, I am actually going to create a list here called vowels, and I will fill that in, and I'll be back once it's typed out. So we're going to say vowels is equal to a list. We're going to put A, E, I, O, and lastly U. So now that we have that list, we have something to compare that first letter to, which is in the 0 index of that string. So down here, let's go ahead and return if that letter itself is in vowel. So we'll say return. And what do we pass in? A string. So return A string if it's in vowels. So that should return whether it is in our list or not. So it will essentially be a Boolean value. So let's go ahead and run our code and see what we get here at the bottom in the console. So we'll say Python 3, and we will name the file that we're trying to run, which is week 8. And as you can see, we are getting false and false. So I do not, I see I don't have index of 0 here. And that is the reason why it is testing the whole string itself to see if it's in that list instead of the first index. So let's try it again and see what we get, and that should fix the issue. And there we have it. We have false and true. So that is my solution to this question here. Let me know how you would have went about solving it, and let me know if you have any tips for me. Other than that, I hope you have a great Monday, everyone, and bye-bye.